Hey guys, it's John the Pool Expert. Today I'm going to show you how to set the schedules on your EasyTouch control panel. This is the older control panel, but a lot of people still have these. So I just wanted to go over how to set schedules on them because I realized I don't have a video for that. So anyway, what we're going to do, and this is just from outside, it's pretty much the same from your controller. It's a little different from your phone. But you can still, no matter what, if you have one of these, you can control it right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit the menu button. And then I'm just going to scroll down to where it says schedules. And then we're going to select it. And now, as you can see, and this happens a lot, we have 8 schedules set for the pool, which we don't need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that, and I'm going to go to where it says schedule, and then I'm going to scroll up until it says delete, and then I'm going to delete it. Okay. So now we have one schedule set for the pool. The default schedule is going to be 8 to 5. But you can adjust that just by clicking the select button until the number you have is blinking, and you can adjust that. So now it's like you can set it for 7 in the morning, or you can set it for 10, or whatever you want to set it for. And then you can set the off time for whatever you want. And you can select whatever days of the week you want. And then when you are done, you just hit the back button. And then that is what's set up. So now we have one schedule for the pool. With this particular setup, we have 2 different swimming pools on here. But yeah, you just set them up for whatever schedules you want, and that's about it. It's super simple. Have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.